Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kindly Nash, a sound of home. It's an emotional song, as they say it, but let's see.
Searching for the sound of home.
Ooh, this is sending me chills. I don't know why.
Searching for the sound. Oh, been feeling down. I miss the sound that comes from home. Everyone around is not my own
Oh,
when I'm not home. Screaming out loud, cause I'm in a house without a door. Talk to the walls, I ask for more, cause I'm not home. Yeah. Hold my hand, turn the light on, show me how it feels to be loved without.
oh, show me how it feels to be loved. Wait. That was pretty good.
Cause I'm not home. Yeah. Hold my hand, turn the light on, show me how it feels to be loved without a timer. Need a reminder. Those you love ain't here no more. You feel like an outsider. I've tried so hard to find peace inside my heart for I lack purpose. What's a house when you alone? Am I too far from home? Because I've been feeling down. I miss the sound that comes from home. Everyone around is not my own when I'm not home. I'm screaming out loud, cause I'm in a house without a door. Talk to the walls, I ask for more, cause I'm not home.
Ooh, this is one of the most emotional songs I've heard in a long time. Actually, I feel like this is the first time I'm being emotional to a song ever. I don't know.
Now I'm searching for the sound of home. 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 Searching for the sound of home.
Oh, what an emotional damage song. This is a good song, 10 out of 10.